My name is Lyndon Taylor. I am the Executive Vice President and Chief Legal and Administrative Officer at Devon Energy Corporation in Oklahoma City. Devon is a oil and gas exploration and production company. We focus on the upstream production of oil and gas throughout the United States. We're centered in about 4 different basins in the United States, have about 2,500 employees, and are based in Oklahoma City. So many things we do at Devon. There's process management, there's working within teams, there's facilitation of timelines like a Gantt chart that you might use in a large civil engineering type project. You might be the IE for that. And yet we do those things around Devon. We have internal processes. We're always trying to work to improve the way things are done. Currently, there's a huge push within our industry for efficiency. And so we're looking at things like, how do you streamline getting sand to your well sites? What's the most efficient way to do that? Do you store it on site? Do you have real-time deliveries? So it's not the same concepts you'd use in a manufacturing setting, and yet we're using them in oil and gas. The neat thing about industrial engineering is it's broader. It actually provides you a lot more flexibility to do a lot more things in your career. Be a lawyer, for example, be a corporate executive. If you like working with people, you like to have a broad variety of experiences and types of projects to work on, industrial engineering is going to really give you the skills and toolkit to be able to do that in the future. Probably the capstone project, our senior project, was one that we, the partner I worked with at the time, did a project for Gates Rubber hoses in Wichita, and it was a inventory control system. And what was cool about it was actually seeing the examples that we studied being put into place. We actually went up there, spent several weeks working with them, going to their location, studying how they manage their inventory on a real-time basis, and making suggestions for improvement within their warehouse, logistics of where do you move things to, how are materials handled, and ultimately those were implemented. It was pretty cool to watch that being implemented as a senior in college. We saw people doing jobs in the plant that they had done the same way for 20 plus years, and so the opportunity to suggest just move equipment around and make things more efficient, make things easier on your people, even if it just saves a few minutes here and there, those minutes add up. I mean, there are lots of great industrial engineering programs in the country, but this is one that's in the top tier of academic programs. You've got incredible professors, but you've also got great opportunities both within the engineering program, but also on campus to develop leadership. What we at Devon and most companies are looking for are people that have great engineering skills, but also can communicate well with each other, can relate to each other, can work in teams, and it's those intangibles that I think most people develop here at OSU very well, and the staff and leadership of the program are very in tune with that. They want very well-rounded engineers coming out of the IE program to go to companies like Devon, and we're excited to see those candidates. We look for more of them, and I know other companies in the Oklahoma community look for them as well. I think this is one of the best programs in the country. It's it's in a great school of OSU where you can have a great time. But I'm proud of it as an alum because it's providing great students, great candidates for companies like Devon to be hiring from. And we have a few, and I'm always looking for more.